just this is what we did in the last video. So I just have a safer which is that's now in the previous, which is this. Now in the previous video, I didn't do the data checks on this line because I said well, I'm going to do it in this video. Also, I'm going to be inflicting some errors so that Betty can detect it, and then from there you guys will learn, or you will learn how I'm able to rectify the Betty errors. Now in this file there are Betty errors that are actually included. One of them is somewhere here, somewhere in this list. One of them is this line here. Another is this line here. Then another is on this line. There's another one somewhere around there. Let's just run that. Yes, then this is one, this is two, and this is three. So I'm expecting 3 Betty errors here. So let's just let me just run Betty. This is how you run Betty linter. Betty, the name of the file. So I'm just going to do it. Now you can see, just as expected, 3 errors. It's telling me what trading white space. What is a trading white space? You are giving, there's a space. There's a white space. They are giving a space. Now in Betty you should use tabs, not space bar. You should use tabs and not space bar. Now how will I rectify this? Now to quickly rectify this, you can basically do your cat command. Then you see file, and then in your cat command, you just basically pass in the -e flag to it, and now you can see where the white space is. This is where no white space. You can see this is where the EOF is, the end of the new line character is. So from here, in between here and here, it's a white space. That is basically how Betty is able to tell when there is a white space with the \n character. So where this $pound is where the \n character is. So as you can see here, when I did my size bytes, after terminating with the semicolon, I pressed in enter and that took me to this, meaning I inflicted a new line character here. Right here, I did a tab and then I pressed in the new line character. Are we clear? Now here, I did the new line character, then I did the new line, I pressed in the new line, then it went to this line, next line, then I pressed in another new line again, so it went to this line. That was what happened. Yeah, I pressed in the new line character, then pressed in the new line character, then pressed the tab. Yes, same thing here. So how am I going to rectify this? This is actually simple. What you just need to do is just go to this exact line and actually remove the space. Now this is the white space in between here to here. Is the white space in between here to here. Is the white space in between here to here. It's the white space. So I'm quickly going to rectify it. I'm just going to go to my C file, enter inserting mode, delete it. So what it was there, tab, then I'm going to delete it. Go to that thing, go to this line, you can see it, delete it. Go to this next line also, delete it. I'm going to pass in this, repeat the same process that I did before. Now you can see, comparing them with the previous, comparing it with the previous one on put S, you're seeing this guy here. we'll go back here. You can see on the protest is no longer there. See that white space is gone. That's the meaning of trailing white space. So now let me run Betty and let's see if Betty is happy with me. You can see Betty is happy with me. Now let me also change this guy. This is a quick hack for you to actually get him to know if you have trailing white space. Now there are other Betty related issues. So I'm just going to go this. Then I'm going to remove. Now your Betty related issues is different from your compiler issues. I would like to spot that in, so you won't write a code and then you say it's fine with Betty, and then you compile it giving you code error and you're asking what's the problem. You have to pass the Betty check and make sure your program also runs successfully. Okay, alright, at this junction I would like to encourage you all to actually share this video to a lot of ALXOC students are actually facing this Betty from error issues, because this video is actually going to help them. Now the next Betty problem is called no description to main. This is it. You didn't basically add in a text to your main. Now I'm just going to remove this guy here and just going to put in a return. Just a return. And then you're going to see what Betty is going to tell me. So I'm just going to run Betty C5. Okay, now it's telling me trailing white space in line 4. I'm going to do my path. Okay, now I can see the white space. This is the white space. Press right to enter setting mode. We know how to remove white space. Okay, now you click that undefined no description to me. Okay, let me remove the comment entirely. See no description found for function main. Okay. I'll just fix this. Then this is your main function. You put in a hyphen and then you put in your text. Demo program. I mean my own text is the demo program. Sometimes Betty will also yell at you for no return value. Now you can see I didn't put in a return. So let's just run it. Sometimes Betty is still going to yell at you if you don't add in return statement. So I'm still going to call Betty. Now you can see no description found for return value because why I didn't add any return statement. So I'm just going to put that. Going to put that no return. This is it. So basically you can put in any text here, but you're just looking for what Betty is looking for is this main and hyphen for your main function, this return and colon for your return statement. Whatever you pass in here, it doesn't check everything. Now let's just do this. And then let's see something. Can you see? Because I've not posted any text, so you just have to put in the text. I'm doing this so that you guys will see what you need to do per time. I'm just going to put in the text 0. can see another error here, missing initial short description main. Now Betty is telling you that he acknowledged the fact that the function the description for main is there, but then there's no text. So what you just have to do here is to come in here to the line 4. As you can see here, this is line 4 colon 9. So just need to come in here, put in my text. So if I'm going to do this again to call Betty is good with me. Now what other errors can I inflict? Yes, I can also do this. And I can also do this. Now if I compile this, I will definitely run, but then some part the Betty check. So let's call Betty again. Now you can see missing a blank line after declaration. Now what is a declaration? Though we've not started our series on variables and variable declaration, but then I think it's worthy of me to actually see it here. Now when you by variable declaration means you've created a container. Remember, variables are more like a container, meaning you've created. Now you notice immediately I passed in, I did when I pressed in my new line character, it took me to the next level. If I leave it this way without doing this, pressing my backspace keys, I'm going to be adding a white space. So I have to put in this to delete it, to take it to the end there. So now, when you declare a variable, it's more like you giving a name to a container and say this container is of this data type. Now, you can see that I'm doing mine on a single line because I'm saying A, B, C are of the same data type. But I can't do int A float B float BC. If I compare this, to definitely work. But then I'll need to change this guy to float here. Because float B and C are off is off for float. So let me compile this first. This is it. Oh yeah, sorry, I changed it. What is the changing? The format specifier to F here. Once again. Sorry about that. Now you can see I'm going to run the 8 dots out. So you can see that So you can see that your compilation errors is quite different from your Betty errors. It compiled correctly, but then I'm going to run Betty and see if please watch. Now you can see multiple instructions on a single line is forbidden. Please I want you guys to listen and pay good attention. So multiple instructions on a single line is missing. On which line? Line 12. Just going to go back to my tab. So you can see that fine, it actually compiled correctly, but then checking with Betty, there's problem. So we're going to go to line 10 to fix this. If you're going to do this and pressing an enter, you've created a white space. This is where the white space is. You've created a white space. You can do this. So you take it back and then pressing an enter. Like so, you fix that error. Very good. Alright. So what other Betty checks can I do here? I think I'm done missing a blank line in declaration. No, first things first. Let me move the white space and then check the Betty. And everything is cool. Then Betty say missing a line after declaration is you not adding in a line, because right here you've just created a variable, but then the variable is holding garbage value. There's nothing in the variable yet. It's holding garbage. Now in here, what I have declared, I am now assigning a value to. This is now what initialization. This is my initialization stage. This is my declaration stage. While this here is my declaration and initialization combined. So whichever you want to do. But personally, I love doing it this way. If I'm going to be doing declaration, my declaration and initialization, I often give a line. I'm going to be doing declaration and then initialization, I give a line. Now if you are going to compile this with GCC wall where extra identic STPGNU, you are going to get an error also. Why? Because this is mixed declaration. This is initialization and declaration. This is only declaration, and this is what initialization. So by standard, this ought to come first, because this is just a single declaration. Then this comes second, this comes last. I'm going to pass in the GCC flag to it. So I'm just going to change this guy here. Okay, we've not done the missing stuff there. So let me just do that. Person, and then let me do this. I'm just going to say that it's core at 30. Now you can see missing a blank line after declaration. Now to fix this, just need to go back, and this is it. When you go back, you add in a line, come back, then check the Betty, and Betty is cool. Now if I'm going to be passing GCC but it's advisable that your declarations should come first, then your declaration and initialization second, if you are going to be doing that, while your initialization comes last, meaning this is what I should have. This is what I should have. If I'm going to be doing all three, my declaration stage, my declaration and initialization, then my initialization, or your declaration and initialization, separate line, or on the same line. And that's the default standard. But then I was kind of shocked why it actually passed the GCC flag without it sounding an alarm. But then before. So more basic errors. I don't think I can. But then if you have any basic errors, just basically look at the error and then go to the line. Just look at the error and then go to the line and try and fix it. Don't be scared of errors. Please and please don't be scared of errors. Just basically you look at the errors and then you go to the line and then you fix it up. Alright guys, thank you. And in the next video we'll be discussing on the if else statement. I also like you guys to share to all ALM students that are actually having this as a challenge, and also do subscribe. Thank you.